Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can fix character AI app not working. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now if you're having some problems with the character AI application, you can just go ahead and follow along to fix the problem. So you want to open up your system settings, and from there you could just go ahead and select on general. Inside general, select on iPhone storage. And guys, by the way, take note that you can go ahead and do these methods if you are using your Android device. You want to head over to a specific application, and from there you can just go ahead and clear the cache and storage for that application. But for iPhone users, right after heading over to the iPhone storage, you can just go ahead and find character AI inside right here, and you can just go ahead and open it up. And from here you want to select the offload application, and if we go ahead and read this right here, this will free up storage used by the application but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the application will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. You want to click on offload app, confirm the offload app, and from there we will be able to install or reinstall the character AI. Now, after clicking on the reinstall application, it will then go ahead and force character AI to download or update the files from the App Store. So right after, you can just go ahead and open up character AI and the problem will be fixed. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.